process is called shocking and then shocking. I keep going backwards. So we're gonna blanch it first, and then the water's gonna shock it, and that stops the process. And that's why I was telling you, the people that's buying things frozen, you notice when you get those frozen vegetables, they're very, very fluorescent in color. That's because they went through this process right here. Okay, so my water's boiling. I'm just gonna put my broccoli in there, and you'll see it change pretty quick. Can y'all see the color changing? Do y'all already see the color changing a little bit? It's about to start boiling. You can see it?
I haven't seen it
Come. Come.
yet. I use broccoli a lot, but I cook mine all the way.
Yeah, well, it'll be cooked all the way, but like I said, vegetables should have a little crunch to them. Not hard, but
That's the problem with me.
you don't like that.
I mean, I'm just
Do
speaking.
y'all see the color? Y'all see the color change? That was quick. You gonna make some more, thank you. Y'all see that color change? I'm gonna let it boil for about another minute and then I'm gonna take it out. But y'all saw how quickly it turned fluorescent. Look at that, look how beautiful that is.
Oh, it look lighter.
Like a fluorescent. So that's the nutrition level you want it. If we keep going, then we don't know if that fiber is still gonna be there. And we're all guilty of it. We all overcook vegetables, and we just do. I mean, we just do. All right, so we're there. You see that now we're at the highest color. You notice that even went up a little bit even in color again. So now we're ready to take it out, okay? And we put it directly into the little cooling bath. And it's just ice water. And that just stops it from cooking.
So do we have to put it in the ice?
To stop it from cooking, yeah. And that's what we want. We want the vegetables in a healthier state.